let's learn this viral video. The main thing about a trending or viral video is that you can take it and make it your own. So you don't have to worry too much if you do it exactly. You can do it your way in your own thing, and that's what makes it interesting when everybody in the world joins together and does the dance in their way, with their environment, with how they look like. Okay, so let's start. The main point is when it starts, you can run into your place however you want, but you gotta land on down. I'm going down, finger down, and then two bends, boom, boom. And then we're doing a cha-cha-cha, one side, then the other side. I'm yelling out, middle together, out, middle together. Then we're just marching in place. We're taking our arms. We're going one arm to the middle, bump the other arm out, into the middle, bump the other arm out, into the middle, bump the other arm out, and then two claps. Then people do this different ways, which is they're moving their chest as they do, circle with their arms, and we do that. Then we go into hip back and arms back, bounce and back, arms back. Other side. Hips back and arms back and bend. Hips back and arms back and bend. Then you have one, cross, out, down, down, beat the drums in the air. You're out of here.